Hey everyone, Miss Brittany here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pop-up card. Now, pop-up cards are really fun, creative, and surprisingly easy to make. So to make them, all you need are a few materials, and that's construction paper, glue, scissors, and markers or color pencils or whatever you'd like to use to decorate your card. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to first draw the shapes that I want to cut out to put on the card. I'm going to keep it simple and draw some clouds in the sun, but you can draw whatever you'd like. Okay, so I'm using yellow and blue construction paper to draw my sun and my clouds. So I'm going to start with my sun. Now, because I can't draw a perfect circle, I'm going to use something circular to use to trace to draw my sun. So here are my shapes. Now, once you have your shapes drawn out, you want to go ahead and cut them out so that you can glue them onto the card. Okay, so for the card portion, you want to take a sheet of paper, either construction paper or just a blank white sheet of paper, and you are going to fold it in half horizontally. Okay, so your card is going to open up this way. So now we are going to take our scissors, and in the middle of your card on the folded edge, you are going to cut 2 slits in the middle of the paper. Now they should be even in length so that it'll make a perfect square when you open your card. Just trying to make sure that my lines are even. If it helps, you can draw a line in the middle so that you know where to stop when you're cutting. So I'm going to do that. This way it'll help me see where to stop. So now you should have a little flap in the middle of your paper. Now you are going to take it, open your paper up, and push inward the flap that you created. Then you're going to use the fold here that you made when you first folded the paper. You're going to push that in, and you're going to fold your paper again. You should see the 2 ends kind of come together, and you're just going to fold that down. Now, when you open it, you should have a little pop out box in the center of your paper, like so. Now, this is where we're going to put our shape when we finish making our card. Okay, So at this point, you can decorate either the outside of your card or like the background or the inside of the card, or you can do both, whichever you like. So I'm gonna decorate both the inside and the outside. Okay, so I have just finished gluing on the clouds to the background of my card, and now I'm going to move on to gluing the sun. Now, when you do the sun is going to go in this middle pop out center here. So to do that, you're going to take the bottom half of the cutout and you're just going to fold it up. So that way, when you glue it, the bottom half will lay flat on the bottom half of the card. Like that. So let's glue it. Okay, so now when you open it, you will have the sun pop out in the card. So we're almost at the end. Okay, so we're almost at the end. So I'm going to write a short message on the bottom half here, and then we'll be almost done with our card. So here is finished product. So this is my card. When you open it, it says, "You are my sunshine." Okay, so and there you have it, your very own pop-up card. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.